Arriving to my other bridge. Beautiful here. This reminds me of Adelboden in Switzerland. I love this bridge. It's getting hot now, but it's a beautiful day. It's a plantation here, durian and jackfruit. Getting to the off-road trail for the Schweinekopfhütte. Soon we have to walk again because of so many stones and rocks. Sliding. Little uphill here now. We're in the forest. Behind there on the left is Brookside. Okay, walking. Too steep here. Oh, here a boy had a sore stomach and had to go to Keetac all the time. 2 years ago, boy and Marvin and Danny, a trip here. I'm too far up here. Let's go down a little bit. Yeah, I'm off my track here. I think I'm on the right way, on the right track. Cannot call it a way, it's a track, a trail, a jungle road. Yeah, I'm correct. Landmark for me. Now this way here and then up. And then we arrive to the Schweinekopfhütte. Oh, last time I was here, I came the other way around. Oh, what an adventure. It was after the rainy season and there were many spiders and I was with Danny. And Danny was so scared. Then I had to go back to get the bikes. And I couldn't find the bikes anymore. That was here, I think. I came this way, no? Let's try. Must be somewhere here. I think here. I remember so chunks of dead wood on the floor, on the ground. And we had to climb all over it. All right. To carry the bike here. Oi! Must be some snakes here, huh? Let's make noise that they go away. Was it this way? Or this way? Don't know, huh? Let's try.